Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
This is little baby Amelia.
Popeye will make his appearance sometime.
He's over there eating. And we are the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. Guys, today is actually Thanksgiving, but what a lot of you will be doing this evening, some of you, maybe not all of you, will be Black Friday shopping. Ooh,
or
scary.
Cyber Monday shopping in a couple days.
Yes. You are braver than me if you're going out into that crowd, but the point is, it's time to do some Christmas shopping, right?
Right.
Or holiday shopping, whatever is coming up. Even maybe just birthdays are around the corner for you.
Or just treat yourself.
Just treat yourself. So
we are going to do today the top 5, our top 5 favorite drones under $25. So
Yes.
we're going to talk about that. I'm going to have my coffee. I think Amelia might have her milk.
The thing is,
And Nathan's going to hold her
this
and talk.
is going to be all drones of 2018 that fell under $25, okay? Now prices fluctuate, yes. We've seen some of these that are on the list fall as cheap as like 15 bucks. So they
Or
might,
maybe a little bit over 25.
yeah, it could be around $30 or so, but consistently they've been more likely to be $25 or under. So bear that in mind. Sometimes a link will sell out when we mention something that is good, and we'll have to find another store. So let's cut right to the chase. We have 5 drones under $25, and we'll start with our least favorite first, building up to our most favorite. And the rule is it has to have been on our channel in 2018. Okay, we are not going to tell you something was great if we did not fly it ourselves, or vice versa. So it has to have been in our hands on our channel.
And sometimes when we do these lists, it's not always based on like the technical stats of something. It's mainly how much we enjoyed it.
Fun factor.
Yeah,
Yep.
We do a lot of fun factor. That's the most important thing with drones and the RC hobby is it fun?
Right.
So that's how we make our lists.
And it's been a long time since we've done these lists, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy to be doing these, especially this time of the year for you guys. So hopefully you appreciate it too.
These types of videos are like our most requested videos.
Yes.
So. Here you go.
Yeah. Okay, number 5.
Number
the
5.
Syma X21. We'll have it linked in the description box below if you want to check it out for yourself. As a matter of fact, all these will be linked below, so if you really want to cheat, you can just look down there and click on the links.
And hopefully I can find you some coupon codes that'll work.
We'll do our
So
best.
Just keep your eye out in the description box for those too.
A lot of times Black Friday sales trump coupon codes,
Yeah.
so just keep that in mind on all websites. But the Syma X21 was a really good little altitude hold drone at a fair price. Syma makes really good toy grade drones, and I just remember really being impressed with it.
In fact, you were so impressed with how it performed, you gave it to your sister.
I did.
And in one of our vlog videos, you'll see her flying it.
Yep.
And she had never really flown a
That
drone
was
before. And
her
she
first.
did pretty good. I mean, she crashed just like any beginner would. But I was impressed with how she flew it.
It's durable, small enough to fly inside, a little bit large enough you could fly in your front yard or backyard, low altitude. It was just a very well-rounded drone that didn't brag about having features that didn't work. All the features that it said it had worked, and that's important. So number 5 is a very solid Syma X21. Number 4 is a pretty exciting one. It's different, which is why it made our list.
And there's a couple different versions of it. So we just call them the light LED drones.
Yes.
They're really cool, and they're all about the same, but they all have different names.
Now, we want to make sure that we link one that was on our channel, because sometimes a company will make something and it might look like it'll perform well, but we want to...
Yeah, the one linked down here
We
is going to
flew.
be the cheapest one, because one of them's like $18, the other is like $25. Now that'll change probably as soon as I say that. But we'll link the cheapest one that was good down in the description box below.
The one that we actually flew. That's important, because remember, there's knockoffs of knockoffs of knockoffs, and if you get one of... People a lot of times say, Nate, I bought the same thing on eBay for $10 cheaper. Well, no, you probably didn't. You probably bought some knockoff of it.
Yeah.
It might look like it, but it probably won't fly.
So these were really cool because the lights, you can fly it inside or outside in light wind, and the lights are so bright.
Very
They look so good. In fact, my mom doesn't have a drone, never flew a drone.
Doesn't show any interest in drones.
She hardly watches any of our videos, but for some reason, she watched that video.
drone.
She watched that video and she said, that's what I want for Christmas.
So we're getting her
by
one.
golly, that's what she
But wait, hopefully she doesn't watch this video.
She probably won't.
Yeah.
I think the only video she watches is when I share them to my personal Facebook page, then she'll watch them.
Okay.
But yeah, so it had altitude hold.
It's
it
a
was
head turner.
really easy to fly, and it was just really cool. It was just a cool user experience with the lights.
Basically, 99% of the little drones on the market do have lights on them, right? They got a little blue light on the front, a little red light on the back, whatever. This thing is like a solid flying UFO light.
So it has like built-on prop guards, and those prop guards are what's all lit up. So the prop guards make it really cool too, because they're installed already, so it's not like you're gonna add extra weight to put prop guards on, and so you can kind of bounce it off walls and stuff too.
Yeah.
So it's really neat.
Number 3 on our list is one of my personal favorites, near and dear to my heart. We called it in the video a Baby Spark, even though it's not a DJI product. This is a little drone called the S9.
But it's definitely a Spark look-alike.
Absolutely, 100%. The thing was, it didn't just look like a baby DJI Spark, which again, it's not a DJI product.
It's the S9.
The S9, we'll have it linked below as well. It just flew really, 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 really well. It was amazing in its performance, and as a bonus, it looked like a Spark, which is one of my favorite drones. Of course, it has a dedicated transmitter. It does have altitude hold, making it really easy to fly. And you know, this one is going to just be short and sweet, guys. It's very plain and simple. It works. It looks great.
It's a good price.
It's a good price. Come on,
And it was fun.
What more do you want out of a drone? I liked it a lot.
Number 2 was almost number 1 for the year. Almost. It just at the last minute got beat out of the number 1 spot. Number 2 is the DM104. This was the drone that I flew toward the beginning of the year that was so easy to fly and just calibrated so well that I was able to just sit back on the couch, prop my feet up, and just casually fly. Not many drones you can just take up in the air. The altitude hold works that well, and it's just calibrated and trimmed so well that you don't have to do much at all to fly it. And as a beginner pilot, that's what you want. You need something that isn't going to stress you out, that you don't have to worry about breaking, that you can just relax and really kind of hone in on just getting used to the right stick turning and going forward, backwards, left and right. So that's why I liked that one. It was just a really laid back casual flyer.
We would have both agreed that that would be the solid number 1 choice for the whole year.
Until number 1 drone came just a week ago, really.
And a lot of you guys actually ordered this, but it's probably not even shown up at your door yet.
Yeah.
This one is a no-brainer to be number 1 under $25. And this is what I was talking about at the beginning of the video. There were 100 of these in stock. We did our video. A couple hours later, they were sold out. And so we had to link Amazon for you guys, and they were 30 bucks on Amazon.
And then 24 hours later, they came back in stock with 200 more. I don't know where they're at now.
It's the Helifar H803, and it'll be linked at the top of the list down there, because that is one that you need for yourself.
And for your grandma.
For your grandpa, for your infant, your dog, anyone and everyone you can think of that might even be slightly remotely interested in drones, because this one flies itself.
In fact, weren't you messing around the other day with her and you had it in her hand and you so technically Amelia has flown a drone now, technically.
Because all you have to do is throw it in the air and it flies.
So, I mean, it has the transmitter, and it performed pretty well, really well, in fact, with the transmitter, just as well as that DM104 drone that I just talked about, the number 2 drone.
Don't go that far, because
but this one flew itself.
I did have an issue with the transmitter. I couldn't get it to descend. Okay, so I don't want to be misleading.
I didn't fly it with the transmitter. I just watched you fly it with the transmitter. Right. So, but this one flies itself, and it's just so entertaining because it has hand controls and obstacle avoidance on all 4 sides and the bottom. Yeah. So 5 spots where it has some type of obstacle avoidance, and you can literally throw it in the air. And we had it up by this shelf. I know you can't see it right now.
There's a bunch of stuff up there
with like little fragile glasses and stuff, and it didn't hit them at all.
It has.
That's mind-blowing to me for a drone under $25 to have those features.
The only time I've seen a drone with actual obstacle avoidance that slightly works is a $400 DJI Spark, and that's only forward detection, and it just won't let you hit. This thing realizes there's a wall there, boop, and then it goes the other way. It's amazing.
That's how it works with your hands to control it. It senses your hand gets close.
Put your hand under it and it can fly. And remember, this isn't just a gimmicky drone that that's what you are buying. It also comes with a transmitter.
So you can learn to fly.
And 2 batteries.
Or just fly. Yeah,
so
2 batteries.
You can fly.
And it's a common size battery.
Yes.
So you can buy more of them.
You can fly it like a normal drone, and you have the ability to do all the cool hand gesture without the transmitter.
And it just,
amazing.
It just really, like, that is the most fun we've had flying an indoor drone, I think, in a long time.
Maybe ever.
Maybe. Oh, we just had a blast. And Nathan has kept it out up here upstairs and has kept the batteries charged. And just randomly at times, I'll be like feeding the baby and he'll just...
Someone stops by.
He'll go sit down on the couch and he'll just be...
I'll just be eating a bowl of cereal. She'll be reading a magazine. And there we go, there's a good burp. Toss the drone and it's flying. I just think it's amazing. I think it's amazing. How cool would it be if Christmas time rolls around, you guys order this, get one for yourself, you know, maybe you get one for all 10 family members too while you're at it, which would be crazy. But you got your drone with you, and literally you just plug in the battery, sit it down for 3 seconds. People will be fascinated with the lights for 3 seconds. Pick it up, throw it in the air, no controller, no nothing, and it just starts flying. You can play with the kiddos. I mean, everyone will love it. It's one thing to throw a drone in the air and start flying it with a transmitter, but it's another to literally tell anybody that has never flown a drone before to just walk up to it and fly it with their hand, or just don't even touch it, it'll fly itself. So amazing. That's why it deserves a strong #1 spot. Honestly, if this was a $50 drone, in my opinion, I think it would be worth every penny of it. It's one that needs to be added to your collection. It's kind of a groundbreaking piece of technology at that price. I just don't know how they do it.
I don't know.
I don't understand.
It's crazy. Earlier today, we posted a giveaway video, and it also talked about our Giving Tree project that's going on right now. So be sure to go click that video, give it a watch so you can at least enter to win and help donate to our project. So we're really excited about it. So happy Thanksgiving, guys. Thank you.
Good luck Black Friday shopping.
Oh yeah, and if you are just tuning in like months from now, just, hey, thanks for stopping by. Hit the subscribe button so you can have some RC fun with us. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!